Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to edit WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to WhatsApp. After that, go to any chat and let's send message. And if you want to edit this message, you must click and hold it. After that, click edit and enter some numbers and click OK. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.